Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today's a little bit of a busy day. I don't have a whole lot of time before I pick up my humans, and I've got a couple of things I have to do. Y'all know my niece, one of my favorite humans on the planet. She asked me to juice her some stuff, so I'm gonna do that. I have to make this tea that I love to drink every morning. I ran out. I have to make it again. I didn't have any pineapples, so I had to wait to go to the store. Long story short, I got the pineapple now. And then I have to make my yogurt. I have been craving it. I don't eat it a whole lot, but lately I've been craving it. I don't know. I made my niece some recently, and ever since I made hers, I've been craving some. And then turns out that my kids love it. So, yeah, I'm gonna make some of that. And then I have some cleaning to do because my kitchen is a hot mess. And then I gotta pick up the humans, okay? So let us get into it. So grandma bought a whole bunch of apples. I didn't want them to go bad. Plus I had my own apples. She's so nice, y'all. She's always bringing me stuff. So I'm gonna use all of them. My carrots and then some pineapple and ginger. She doesn't like a whole lot of ginger, so I didn't add a whole lot for her, just a little bit. And we're going to juice that up, and that is it. I'm going to taste it real quick to see if I need to add like some sweetener for her because she's not about that healthy stuff. All the way healthy. So I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add any sweetener for her. It tastes good to me. I'm going to wait till she picks it up. Here it is. I put it in the container for her. I'm going to wait till she comes by to pick it up and have her taste it to see if she wants me to add any more stuff. But I I think it's sweet enough if you ask me. And then in my tea here, I have pineapple skin, like the little hard part inside of the pineapple. I cut it up in cubes. I have cinnamon. I have burdock root. It has a whole lot of benefits that I'm going to list here on the screen. I think that's pretty much it. Cinnamon powder, pineapple skin, burdock root, cinnamon sticks. Oh, and ginger. Yeah, so just add a little bit of water. Put it on medium to low heat. You need it to like boil a little, but like a simmery kind of boil, if you get what I mean. All right, now moving on to my granola. Okay, I'm a diehard fan of Chic Natural, so you know I had to get her book. I have not I have not made anything in there in that book except for the granola. I have made the granola twice so far. And I will say I've made granola before I bought Kim's book. It did not taste like that. It did not taste like that. This tastes amazing. And if it's not all the way sweet, so if you like sweet stuff, you want to add a little sweetener to it, by all means go for it. It's gonna depend on whether or not you like sweet stuff. Yeah, so we're just mixing our stuff. Here I have my oatmeal and all the stuff. I'm gonna post the ingredients right here. You mix everything and then put it in the sheet tray, put it in the thing for 10 minutes, turn it halfway. After it was done, I pulled it out, I added my stuff, mix it again, put it back in there for another 8 to 10 minutes, and voila, it was done. So I mix it all together. I'm gonna put it in a jar and then I'm gonna put it away. And there it is. Pretty. It tastes so good. My kids love it and my kids are very picky. So I was done. It was time for me to clean and go get the kids. So I cleaned the kitchen, finished cleaning, and I got my tea. My tea is really good. Really good. So good. I ended up having to add a little bit of honey because it wasn't sweet enough to my liking. The next day I made some yogurt, some of that, and some of my tea. It was really good. I added a little bit of honey. Like I said, it's not very sweet. It's not all the way sweet. So I added a little bit of honey to it, but that was my yogurt bowl I made with my homemade granola. Later on I was feeling a little snacky, so I had me some oatmeal with some bananas. And yeah, I hope you guys try to make it. If you do, let me know how you like it. But that is all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you think down below in the comment section. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. But until then, I hope to see you in the comment section. Bye.